Hi everyone, and welcome to Decorate Your Life. No, this is not Sandy. Sandy was invited to a store grand opening, so she won't be available for a few days. So she's asked me if I would be willing to do a tutorial for you and tell you a bit about myself. My name is Vanessa, and I've been crafting for over 30 years since I was a little girl. And I've been on YouTube for about 5 years. And the crafts that I do, I can do shabby chic, I can do steampunk, I can do mixed media. I can do almost all of it. Not all of it yet, but most of it. And I, I would love you to swing over onto my channel and subscribe. I'll leave the link in the description box below this video, and if you just happen to land on this video, click the subscribe button. Sandy brings you paper crafting, project shares, tutorials, that I'm sure you'll enjoy. For today's tutorial, I've decided that I'm going to show you how to make a Valentine's Day card. So let's go down to the desk. Okay, here's the supplies you'll need. You'll need a glue gun, and I'm using my Spellbinders detailed glue gun. You're going to need glue sticks. You're going to need some cardstock, some scrapbooking paper, some what they call it, glitter paper. You're going to need double-sided tape, mounting tape, scissors, and you're going to need some little flowers. I'm using Offray. Okay. Some bling. I'm using Want to Scrap. And this with some little pearls. So let's get this show on the road. As you can see, I have already cut my card out, and I inked it with some Stampin' Up! Real Red ink. So I wanted this video not to be too long. So I went ahead and did most of it. Now you can see part 1 here, and you can go over to my channel and view part 2 and subscribe while you're there if you haven't already. So I've already cut my mat out and inked it with the same ink that I inked the card with. It doesn't seem like my card wants to stay closed. There we go. We'll work with it. And I already put my tape. I prepared most of my pieces already, because I don't want this video to be too long. We're going to do just the front, and the inside is going to be part 2. So you can go over to my channel and watch part 2. Sandy is a very helpful lady. Very kind, very generous. So I decided I would help her. So there's the heart paper. Okay. Now I'm going to take these. I freehanded, okay, and all I did was cut one like a 1/4 inch shorter than the other and glued them together. And for this, I'm going to add a little fabric tack so it'll stay tacked on. Okay. You just add a little on the back here. Oops. Okay, and then stick it on. I'm going to center it. Okay. Then I'm going to take some of this from Want to Scrap. And the neat thing about it is you can cut these apart to make them as short as you want them. Okay, you can go to wantoscrap.com and get these. There we go. I only want this piece here. So I'm going to peel that off. Okay. I'm going to put it like right here. Oh, you can't see it there. I'm going to do it here. Okay. See? It's right here. It's the same color as the paper, but that's all right. So I'm going to move this out of the way. I'm going to get out 3 little roses. Again with some fabric tack. I'm going to glue them on one side of the heart. Okay. So I'm going to glue them on this side of the heart. And they're going to all stick together. One right here. One here. And one in the back. Hold it together for a bit. Ta-da! Now I want to take my little pearls here. I'm going to put one up here and one down here. And I'm going to hot glue these. So I'm going to need my bead picker-upper to put these on. One here. And just push it down. And one on the other end. And push it down. Okay. Now, this is all I'm going to do for this one. The whole card is not done yet, but part 2 would be on my channel. And you can go to Vanessa Angel Rose on YouTube. The link will be down in the description box. And you will see me finish off the rest of this. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye. I would like to thank all of you for watching. And please do me a favor. Tell Sandy that I did a good job on her channel. Believe me, she reads each and every one of her comments. Thank you for watching my videos. I would appreciate a thumbs up also. So I will see you all on my channel for part 2 of the Valentine's Day card. Bye-bye for now.